Have you ever faced difficult decisions when fate seems beyond your control? In the chaos of modern life, we often feel lost and out of control. We make hasty decisions guided by emotions or pressures and regret them later. At these crossroads, Stoic principles can strengthen your decision-making capacity. Let's explore 12 principles that can be your allies in shaping your destiny. 1. Accept reality as it is. The first step to freedom is accepting what is beyond our control and focusing on what we can change. As Epictetus said, it's not what happens to you, but how you react to it that matters. By practicing acceptance, you free yourself from anxiety and make decisions aligned with your values. 2. Focus on what you can control. Direct your attention to what is within your domain. As Marcus Aurelius stated, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Focusing on what is controllable makes you more effective in decision-making. 2. Focus on what you can control. Direct your attention to what is within your domain. As Marcus Aurelius stated, you have power over your mind, not outside events. Realize this, and you will find strength. Focusing on what is controllable makes you more effective in decision-making. 4. Practice self-discipline. Self-discipline helps overcome moments of laziness and achieve goals. As Seneca said, the greatest victory is to conquer yourself. Small habits of self-discipline make a big difference over time, strengthening your ability to achieve what matters. 5. Detach from the outcome. While it's important to have goals, don't be overly attached to the results. Epictetus said, the first and greatest victory is to conquer yourself. Focus on personal growth and how you handle challenges, accepting whatever comes with resilience. 6. Cultivate emotional resilience. Emotional resilience is the ability to bounce back from adversity and maintain balance. It's a superpower that can be developed gradually, significantly improving your quality of life. 7. Seek virtue. Always strive to act with integrity, ethics, and respect for others. The pursuit of virtue is about constant effort to act in the best way possible, even in challenging moments. This strengthens personal integrity and creates a harmonious environment. 8. Accept change. True Stoic wisdom lies in accepting change as part of the journey. Focus your energy on what you can control, your choices, attitudes, and values. By accepting change, you transform obstacles into opportunities for growth and learning. 9. Continuous learning. Life is a journey of continuous learning, enabling wiser and more conscious decisions. Always seek to expand your horizons through reading, sharing experiences, and acquiring new skills. 10. Gratitude for the control. You have cultivate gratitude for the control you have over your choices and destiny. Each decision is an opportunity for growth. Focus on the present and what you can do now to achieve your goals and live according to your values. 11. Face your fears. Fear does not define you. Recognize, question, and challenge your fears. By doing so, you overcome them and pursue your dreams with courage, guided by Stoic philosophy. 12. Leave a lasting legacy. Reflect on the mark you will leave in the world. Practice wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance to create a positive impact. Treat others with respect, help those in need, and contribute to the common good. By following Stoic principles, you can build a better world for future generations. Feel free to like, subscribe, and comment to encourage more content like this. Let's continue to explore timeless wisdom together.